divided into parts. Okay. Now these parts are divided according to one thing that we are going to learn in this lesson, that is latitudes and longitudes. Okay. So what is the chapter's name?
Location and
Location
time.
and time.
Location and time. What is the chapter's name?
Location and time.
Yes, and it is the fifth chapter of your syllabus. Please note it down. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes.
Now, as I said you, that to understand where a place is located, okay, what do we do? What do we do? What do we do, beta? One minute, huh, beta. Yes. What do? We search for particular latitudes. Okay. Now, what are latitudes? First, we will learn that, and what are longitudes, and then we will go to the chapter which is location and time. Okay. Can you see my screen, girls?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. This is your textbook lesson. Yes. What are vertical and horizontal lines on the globe of the earth? What are they? Who will say me? I have explained about this you in sixth class also. What are they? Who will say me? No one?
What, ma'am?
What are latitudes and longitudes? Who will say me? No one remembers? Don't say that no one remembers.
Ma'am, the imaginary latitudes are the imaginary lines that pass through north to south.
Hmm. Latitudes are the imaginary lines. देखो, latitudes and longitudes both are imaginary lines. Okay, what are they? They are both imaginary lines. Okay, what are they? They both are imaginary lines. Is it clear? Imaginary lines means what? How you imagine in your dreams about different things? Yes, that is imaginary. Okay, what is that? That is imaginary. Okay, now beta listen carefully. Latitudes जो होते हैं, they all are imaginary lines, and longitudes as well as imaginary lines. Now latitudes जो है बेटा, they are drawn horizontally on the globe. How are they drawn? Horizontal lines. Okay, I'll show you in presentation to understand in more better way. See, latitudes run horizontally. You can see this figure. Okay, how do they run? They run like this way, horizontally. Okay, okay, horizontal lines, sleeping lines. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, and longitudes they run vertically like this way. Okay, clear? Clear? Now let us first know some things about latitudes. Okay, now these latitudes drawn on the globe of the earth, they run from east to west. Where do they run? East to
East to
west.
west.
Yes, west to east and east to west. Okay, but my dear students, what do they do? They divide. Sorry, they divide the north pole and the north and the south. Okay, now this is 0 degree equator. Okay, clear? Now what is the role of equator here? It
Divides
divides
the
the,
earth into two
ha,
equal halves,
yes, that is north and south.
northern
South.
Okay.
hemisphere and southern hemisphere.
Yes, very good. Understood? See, I'll draw once again. Drawing will not be perfect as it is not our school board. Okay, this is our earth. This is a latitude. One latitude here, first understand. 0 degree equator. Okay. Now, what is the role of this 0 degree equator? It is dividing the north and the south. Okay. Understood? The northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. Clear?
Southern. Yes.
Yes. Now all these latitudes they run horizontally, but and they never meet. मतलब यहाँ पे meet नहीं होते हैं, इस तरह से run होते हैं. That is why they are also known as parallels. Okay, what are they known as, beta?
Parallel.
Parallels. Why? Why? Because they run horizontally like this. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Um,
How do? हाँ बेटा. How do they run?
Horizontal.
Yes. And do they meet?
No.
No. That is why what are they known as?
Parallels.
Yes, parallels. They are also known as parallels. Parallels means what? They don't meet. Like a railway track. Okay. Railway track is parallel always. Yes. And what is intersecting? Like the lines which meet at some point. Okay. This is known as what? Intersecting. The lines are meeting. Right? But latitudes never meet. Okay? They are drawn parallel only. Is it clear?
Yes.
Clear to
Yes.
all? Yes. Now let us move from the presentation to the textbook. Yes. Now read, Sanya.
Yes, ma'am. Lesson number 5, location and time. What are these vertical and horizontal lines on the globe of the earth? They are imaginary lines and are not drawn on the surface of the earth. The horizontal lines are called latitudes and the vertical lines are known as longitudes. What are latitudes and degrees of latitudes? Let us learn through an activity. Measure the angles of different places in the classroom with the help of
Vector.
protector, pencil, and paper. Draw a circle on a paper and write down the angles of the circle at 10, 90, 30, and 60.
Read, Sanya, read it again.
Let us learn through an activity. Measure the angles of different places in the classroom with the help of a protector, pencil, and paper. Draw a circle on a paper and write down the angles of the circle at 10, 90, 30, and 60.
Last line repeat करो तो Sanya.
What, ma'am?
Last line repeat करो. You are making some mistake over there.
Draw a circle on a paper and write down the angles of the circle at 10, 90, 30, and 60.
Ma'am, there is 10 degree.
Yes, ma'am,
Yeah.
sir.
Hmm.
10 degree, 90 degree, 30 degree, and 60 degree.
An angle can never be drawn without degree, Sanya. Okay, no problem. Chalo.
Ma'am, now can I read?
Aina, can I explain if you don't mind?
Yes.
Thank you, Aina. Yes. So, what are these vertical lines on the globe of the earth? As I said you in the presentation, what are they?
Longitudes.
Vertical lines.
Latitude.
Vertical lines. You are first correct.
longitudes.
ये नहीं तो ये नहीं तो ऐसे जवाब देने का. कभी sometimes you will give right answer and ma'am will ask as if you are wrong, so you have to be confident in your answer. Okay.
Ma'am, I'm confused in latitudes and longitudes.
Okay. Okay. I'll make it clear. Wait. See, this is our globe. Okay. What it is? Imagine. कि this is. ए बाप रे, what was that?
वायु.
It was like an earthquake.
Yes,
Tarannum.
Whose mic it is, beta?
Tarannum.
Tarannum?
She shouted.
Ah, I got scared. Chalo. This is what, beta? Imagine karo. What is this?
Latitude.
Nahi.
Latitude.
Nahi. Full. What is this?
Globe.
Okay. Clear? Now, एक ही चीज आपको हमेशा बोलती हूँ याद रखने के लिए. When there are two similar things, latitudes and longitudes, only remember one. Okay, only remember one, that is latitudes. Right now, when you are learning, laterly you have to remember both. Okay, Rabia? Now, when you
Okay.
are learning latitude, you have to also remember parallels. Okay? Hmm?
Okay.
Okay? Both this thing, if you remember, then what you have to remember, the next point is that all these latitudes, they run parallel. How do they run?
Parallel.
Parallel.
Yes, they run parallel. They never meet. Do they? Can you see in this? They are meeting at any point.
No.
These lines are in form of circles.
Yes.
Can you see this first circle?
Yes.
Yes, ऐसे ही ये सारे circles है. Can you see when my cursor is moving?
Yes.
ये पूरे पीछे के साइड के हमें नहीं दिख रहे क्योंकि ये राउंड है. यस, तो ऐसे ऐसे सारे घूमेंगे.
Yes.
यस, तो आर दे मीटिंग?
नहीं.
No.
No. So what are they known as? Parallels. Okay. Now one more thing with this line you remember, okay, they are horizontal lines. कैसी lines है?
Horizontal.
Horizontal.
Now if one is horizontal latitude, okay, which is the other is going to be vertical. Okay, clear?
Yes.
So what you have to remember, Tarannum? Only one part. What is that one? This part. Okay. What are latitudes? Say me now. Rabia, you say me. You were confused, no?
Yes.
Say, Rabia.
Latitude are the lines that do not intersect each other, and longitudes intersect.
अभी longitudes के
Latitudes
बारे
are
में नहीं.
parallel.
Longitudes नहीं. Longitudes के बारे में मैंने अभी आपको नहीं समझाया. Longitudes जो होते हैं ना, they meet at sorry, 1 minute. They meet at north and south pole. Now I will not explain you this. Don't say about longitudes. Only I have explained you that longitudes are what? They are vertical lines. बस इतना याद रखो खाली. Okay?
Okay.
Say me, what are latitudes?
Lines that are parallel.
Yes. And they see one more point you add to it. Chalo fast.
They are north to south.
नहीं, east to west, west to east, west to east. they run west to east. देखो बेटा, यहाँ पे बच्चे कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं. दिस इज अवर ग्लोब. ओके, दिस इज द नॉर्थ, अपर नीचे साउथ. ओके, नाउ लैटिट्यूड जो है वो हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन है, लाइक दिस, राइट?
Yes.
Yes or no? So from where they are running? From west to east
West
they are
to
running.
east.
Yes, they are running from west to east. But
East.
but they are dividing the north pole and the south pole.
South pole.
भले वो रन कैसे कर रहे हैं? ईस्ट वेस्ट वेस्ट ईस्ट रन कर रहे हैं, लाइक दिस वे. पर काम क्या कर रहे हैं? नॉर्थ पोल,
North,
नॉर्थन
south,
हेमिस्फीयर एंड सदर्न हेमिस्फीयर को डिवाइड कर रहे हैं,
divide.
राइट? अंडरस्टूड?
Yes.
Yes. What did you understand? Say. Say me, Taranum. See, this is the basic of the chapter. You have to understand first this thing. What are latitudes?
Ma'am,
Latitude
latitudes are the parallel lines which passes through east and west.
Yes.
and
And
divide north,
hmm? And
divide
divide.
north and south.
Divide north and south
Yes.
to equal
Very good.
parts.
Divides the north and the south. Now going to the next point. Okay. What is there? One activity is given. Okay, like this way, draw and circle.
Okay.
Then you have to draw like this way, two lines. This is 0 degree. This is 90 degree. Okay, clear? So
Yes.
in middle there will be 10 degree, 20 degree, 30 degree, 40 degree, 45, 90, 70, 80, like that way, right? Here all the degrees will come, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? This is the north pole. Okay, what it is?
North.
North pole.
And नीचे आएगा south pole, because
South.
equator is dividing the earth into two.
Two
Clear?
parts. Two equal
Clear?
parts.
I'll show you in textbook. Can you see it?
Yes.
So what is the role of equator?
Ma'am, you have to draw this.
Yes, this
Okay.
activity you have to do. Who is asking me?
Ma'am, in rough book of
Ma'am,
ours.
all this.
Yes, Modesta. Rough book you have to draw.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Asaria Batul is present.
Ma'am, can I read?
Any new student is present?
Ma'am,
Any new admission student is present?
Yes. After move.
Yes, Afrin. Do you understand my language and everything? Afrin? Afrin?
After Mansoori.
Yes,
Then
girls?
the
Yes, girls, can you listen me? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So understood? Okay, latitudes are the horizontal lines. Auntie, આ બંધ રાખો ને, બહુ અવાજ આવે છે. They are the imaginary lines drawn on the earth, and they are horizontal lines. What are they? Horizontal lines, okay? And the longitudes are the vertical lines. Now, beta, latitudes are what? They are the angles which ranges from 0 degree to north 90 degree and south 90 degree. Okay? Clear? Lines of latitude runs east west as circles parallel to the equator. Parallel to what, beta? Parallel to the equator. Okay? Did you draw this? Did anyone draw this? Did anyone draw?
Right now we are
Yes, right now in rough book you have to draw. To understand it, you have to draw. Done, everyone?
no, ma'am, just 2 minutes.
Do you have a protector available or without protector you are doing?
Rocket.
Ma'am, we have to write this.
Yes, beta.
मैम जो ग्रीन पेन से लिखा है वही ना.
Hmm.
मैम जो ग्रीन पेन से लिखा है वही
Yes.
लिखा है
Yes, yes, beta.
और ड्रॉ करना.
Yes, beta.
मैम इन रफ बुक.
So many questions you are asking. Yes, I said you first only in rough book. Chalo, done everyone?
Ma'am, just
Yes, ma'am.
no, ma'am. Just
Done? Yes or no, beta?
ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
So what did you draw, you know? Unknowingly, what did you draw? You draw equator, right? And what did you draw? You draw the latitude which are between 90 degree. Okay? Now, beta, I'll show you in presentation. 1 minute. Okay? Now here you draw some angle. Here you draw some angle. And here you draw some angle. ऐसा कुछ किया आपने?
Yes,
हाँ?
yes,
Yes, you did like this way something. बीच में समझो यहाँ पे 25 डिग्री है, यहाँ पे 45 डिग्री है, यहाँ पे 75 डिग्री है. ओके, क्लियर, अंडरस्टूड?
Yes, ma'am.
यस. नाउ सेम वे यहाँ पे भी इक्वेटर रन होगा, तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? 0 डिग्री होगी.
yes,
राइट? राइट और रॉन्ग?
right,
So here also you will have 25 degree, 45
yes,
degree and 75 degree.
yes,
Yes? Yes or no?
yes,
ओके, यहाँ पे भी आपको 25 मिलेंगे, 45 मिलेंगे और 75 मिलेंगे. अब ये रन एक्चुअली कैसे होता है, ये आपको मैंने डिग्री समझाई. डिग्री कैसे मेजरमेंट होता है? 90 डिग्री से. ओके, अब ये एक्चुअली कैसे रन होते हैं ये देखो. लिसन केयरफुली, सी केयरफुली. ओके, ओके, this is your equator. Okay, 0 degree, and here is the north pole. Here is what, beta? Your north pole, which is 90 degree. यस, बट ये सब रन कैसे होते हैं, देखो ऐसे ऐसे, अंडरस्टूड?
Yes.
Understood? Parallel. So this will be your 25, 35, 75, whatever you say, okay? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So latitude is an angle which ranges from 0 degree at the equator to 90 degree, that is north or south at the poles. Okay? Lines of latitudes run east-west as circles parallel to the equator.
Equator.
Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you?
Ma'am, can I read?
Yes,
know.
beta. I narrate, beta.
Ma'am, from the equator,
Hmm.
the equator is the middle latitude or the 0 degree latitude which divides the earth into northern and southern hemisphere. The part of the earth that lies to the north of the 0 degree equator latitude is called the northern hemisphere, and the part that lies on its south is known as the southern hemisphere. How many latitudes pass through our village or city? How can we find out?
Yes. But see here, the equator is the middle latitude, or say the 0 degree latitude, which divides the earth into two spheres. One is northern hemisphere and the other is southern hemisphere.
Southern
Clear? Clear? As I showed you in the presentation, everything is clear or not? Yes or no?
hemisphere.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, Daudani Nilam, did you understand? I want some communication with the new admission girls. Are you there?
Yes,
New
ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Who is it replying?
Ma'am, what is homework?
Write a short note on latitudes.
Ma'am,
Chalo, say me few lines on latitudes.
Latitudes runs in west to east.
Okay.
It does not meet is called parallel
Hmm.
line,
Very
and
good.
it divides north and south.
Very good. Or or
It's an imaginary line.
hmm. They are imaginary lines, right?
yes.
Then they run parallel, right? They never meet, right? And one more important thing, what is the role of latitude?
To divide north
To
and south.
divide the
Yes,
earth into two equal halves, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere.
yes, very good. To divide the earth into two hemispheres, that is northern
And
hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Chalo, anyone any doubt?
no, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, today no homework, no?
No